Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I just want to say a big thank you to you all. I can't believe it. I'm absolutely blown away. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much. It means loads to me. Right, I've got a simple little video today because we're so busy ready for Thursday for my son's passing out praise, which I can't wait for. So I'm just going to be doing simple videos this week. So I went to Aldi and we found these. They were £1.99 each. So we're going to give these a go. Right, we're going to start with this one first. So we're going to have a look at the instructions on the back. It says that you open the top and you fill it with your favourite washing up liquid. As you clean, the washing up liquid will be automatically dispensed through the sponge head. And they have replaceable sponges. The white and the blue one at the top here is for non-scratch pans, and the green and white one here is for general purpose. So we're going to try this one first, and I like the fact that I only paid £1.99 for it and it came with 2 sponges as well, so that's quite good. So we're going to go over to the sink and see how good this works. Right, before I start this video, I just want to show you something. Remember them Busy Bee scrubbing things that I bought the other day? I have used them for about two and a half days, and look at the state of it. All the stuff started peeling off it, and as you was washing it was all just crumbling off. They're an absolute waste of money, and like I said, I've only been using them 2.5 days. Anyway, let's get back into the Dishmatic scrubbing brushes. I'm just going to cut the cardboard off first. There we go. So there's my 2 replaceable sponges, and they were for general purpose. So we're just going to leave them there for now, and this is the one that I want. And take the instructions off. And I was trying to pull this off not long ago. I thought this bit came off, but no, it's that bit there. So we're going to pour some washing up liquid in it. I've got some Aldi washing up liquid, my favourite washing up liquid, which is from Aldi Magnum. I love the apple one. So I'm going to put a few drops in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm squirting it everywhere. Right, we've got some in there at last. There we go. That's what it looks like with some washing up liquid in. So I'm going to do the pans from dinner time. But I've probably put a little bit too much washing up liquid in there, but it squirted everywhere, didn't it? So I've got one of Keith's non-stick pans. So I'm going to use the non-stick scrubber first. So I'm just going to run some water in it to get the rice out. Then we'll see whether this froths up or not. Here we go. Nothing's happening yet, is it? Nothing's working. Oh no. Hang on a minute. Let's just try and get it all bubbly. Oh, washing up liquid's not even coming out of it. Oh, you're having a laugh, ain't you? Or is it just lately that every product I pick up is absolutely rubbish? Why isn't the washing up liquid coming out? Hang on a minute. I don't want to break it. Have we got anything blocking there? No, that's where it's supposed to come out. And that's the clip and that's the hole. It's not working at the minute. No? It's not working. For God's sake. Nothing. Let me run the hot tap again. That water is hot. Yeah, it is. Right. The only thing that's going greasy is the handle of the wash thing. I'll put it back on here again so you can see. I've got some hot water in it. Is it ever going to come through? Oh, I think it's just started to come through now. Right, it's starting to work now. So it takes a while for it to come through. But once it comes through, it's really good, look. So I'll take that back, just what I just said. It was probably me just being dopey. So yeah, look, that has worked really well. It's not scratched, it hasn't scratched the pan or anything, thank goodness. So yeah, so far at the minute now, so good. Now it's working properly. I do quite like that actually. It's really easy to handle and stuff, apart from the first bit obviously. So let's rinse it out and have a look. Yeah, one clean pan on the inside. So right, I'm going to go and get the other pan and I'm going to wash that one up now. Right, this pan, it's a bit more, the food's a bit more stuck on, so we'll give this one a go. Do you know what, it's so simple to use. I prefer using one of these than I do with a sponge thing. That's really good, that is. Now it's working properly. Oh, I do like these. It's got the food off straight away. Like I said, no scratches. So we'll swill this one out. And it only took me a couple of minutes to get the food off. You see how caked on it was. So I'm just going to swill this one off and we'll have a look. Oh, dropping water everywhere now. There we go, nice and clean. For the pan lid and the spoon, I'm going to change this one for a for the general purpose one, which is the green and white one. So we're going to give this one a go now. So I'm just going to run the water. And I need to remember to give it time to work through, because I probably put too much washing up liquid in it, or I did when I first started. Take some time for the bubbles to come through on your new washing up pads. I think it's just starting to come through now. Yeah, it's coming through now. Right, let me just wet it. That's it. I'll have to put it like this for you. It's the only way I can do it, so you can see it properly. And again, no problems at all. It's just lifting straight off, which is good. While I'm here, I'll just rub the spoon over and then I'll swill them off and we'll have a look. But I just carried on washing them up off camera, but you got the general gist of it, didn't you? They've come up nice and clean, not much effort needed. And I like the fact that I only paid £1.99 and I got 2 different sponges and this one that came with it. So I think it is worth the money, and they are really good once they get going. Right, I'm going to try the other sponge out now. I'm going to bring it over for you. Right, I also bought this one from Aldi as well, and that was £1.99. This isn't one where you put the washing up liquid in it, thank goodness. And I've just noticed that I haven't got my free refill. So you can tell what sort of day I'm having already. I haven't got my refill for it. But these, the Dishmatic steel scrubby is long lasting, knitted mesh of high grade stainless steel. Used to clean barbecues, grills, hot plates, steel pots, steel pans and oven trays. Do not use on non-stick or hot surfaces. Both of these here are compatible with all the refills, if you get what I mean. So you could put that on this one if you wanted to, if you needed a few extra bubbles. So that's good as well. I do like that you can mix and match it round. So you can stick that one on this one, and you could put that one on that one. So that's a good idea. Like before, it says that they've got available refills. The white and blue is non-scratch. The green is general purpose, and the black one is heavy duty. Available refills fit all Dishmatic handles. So that's good. And they've also got a Facebook, they've also got their own website, and they've also got Instagram. So let's go and find another pot that we can try this one out on. I've got the bottom of one of the pans, and I'm going to give this metal scourer a go. So, oh yes, straight away, look. Getting it clean straight away. Sorry about the banging, this is the only way I can show you properly. Where I've got a good grip on everything. Right, we're going to swirl this off and we're going to have a look. So far so good. I'm going to do this side over here, I think. I do really like these Dishmatic scrubbing things. I think they're really good. And they're good for their money as well. Good value for money. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up a bit, because it said that they fit each different, how can I explain it easier? This one can fit the one with the washing up liquid in, so I'm going to give it a go. So we're going to take this one off. Just pulls off, don't they? And we'll pull this one off. And we'll see if this one fits this one, which it does. I think, yes, which is good. So we've got the one with the washing up liquid in. So I'm just going to give it another scrub again. I do really like these. I think they're really good. And it's good that they're detachable and they can stick onto each other. That's really good, that is. So I'm just going to spill it off again and show you. Obviously, I need to stand here a bit longer and scrub it, but I'm not going to scrub it clean, otherwise I'll be here for ages. I've dried all the pans off, so we can have a final look. So this one, you saw that I used with the black metal scary one, which was really good. Another couple of minutes on that, and that would all come off. And you seen how dirty inside the pan was as well, so I'll show you properly now. It's all nice and clean, no scratches, nice and clean, all the grease and the food's come off. And the same with this one here as well. And I used the washing up liquid one with this one, didn't I? The non-scratch pad and the general purpose pads. Right, I really like this product, Dishmatic. Can't get my words out again. Dishmatic. I did really like this product. I like the fact that you can change each head round as well, and I like the fact that it came with 2 extra heads with this one. I know I was supposed to get a free one with this one, but it must have fell out somewhere and I can't find it, so that's my own doing. So I'm going to mark this product 5 out of 5. I think from now on I'm just going to stay at the 5 mark. I'm not going to go 10 and whatever. I'm just going to be 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. I think that's the best way for me to do it and to keep it simple. So I'm definitely going to mark this today 5 out of 5 because I really like the product. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I will see you all later. Bye. Oh yeah, and thank you so very much. I really appreciate the 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Bye.